Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure to smash the like button if you found any kind of value. Make sure to subscribe too, because on this channel we do a lot of videos like this every single day or on a daily basis, and make sure to turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss any, and let's keep it as simple, short, and beginner friendly as possible as always. So as you can see right here, we have Xtz with the USTZ or USTD. So basically this is the Tezos coin. The Tezos token. Tezos is sitting at a price of around $2.95, so we are just below $3. But it is what it is. I will not say anything. We are on the daily time frame, so every candle represents one day. We are at the very tip of this actually rectangle right here. So let me just do that. So we are at the very tip. Make sure you don't miss on this opportunity, because this is the buy zone, and I don't think that we're going to be surpassing the $2.40 support, excuse me for the resistance, but I don't think that we are going to be breaking through the support at $2.40, and I think that we are going to be slowly pushing to the upside. We are building enough pressure to go into the buy zone, but bro, if we have that case, like if you just break through that for $2.40, we're just gonna be pushing to the downside right here, and right here we have a huge support too. But yeah, it is what it is. Let me know what are your thoughts about the Tezos coin right now at the moment. I think that it's a great buy right now. Let me know what are your thoughts though, because I want to hear your thoughts. And if you want to support the channel, I would highly appreciate if you just like the video. It will help me a lot with my motivation and the YouTube algorithm and all the good stuff. And if you want to earn up to $40 free money, go into the link to the description down below, and I will be seeing you guys soon. Peace out and have a great day for the rest of your day.